ICND2153 MP. That's the cheat number of keyboard. First of all, it was acting up, misbehaving, and the rest. Then I've been battling with it for over 3 days, and I think I have a solution, which requires me pulling it down. But I'm not going to do full pull down. I'm going to remove where the receivers are. I'll open only where the receivers are and do a new wiring. Before I did something like this. Then I will now change it to this. So if you look here, you see my diagram, my former diagram, and this will be the new diagram I'm going to use. So right now, I'm going to tear it down up and start doing my connection to fix it. I'll show you a video of what it was doing, the misbehaving. Okay, I don't have video of the previous misbehaving, and I have the second video of the second misbehaving. Okay, I have pictures, but I'll show you guys. But right now, let's fix that. Okay, check down here. There's a file that I've created before that I've saved down here. Then I'll come and reload the file. Come to my receive. Then I'll come here, load from file. Then that my file that I saved. Here's it here. Click it and let it load. It's loading. Then after it loads finish, I'll now come and say send to all receiving cards. So successful. I'll say send to all receiving cards. Okay, you can see over there the has sent to all the receiving cards. Now the whole card has received. Now I'll now come to screen config. I said before I'm using network 1, 2, and 3. I'm using 3 network ports. I come here and click network 1. And network 1 is this line, the first line, this first line here. So what I'll do is that I'll click here. I told you that this is my starting, that is my number 1. Click here, roll to the end. So if you notice, I have start and end. Then I come to network 2, that is port 2. I come here, do the same thing here to here. Port 3, do the same thing here to here. Receive. Then I now say send to hardware. Sending. I think it's done sending. I say okay. I say remove. It's enable mapping. Let me see what is going on. It's enable mapping. Wow. find this one. Let's escape. So there's still something wrong with duplicating in different places. Device 128. So actually my board is 256 by 192. 256 by 192. I'll save the project and I'll drop the link at the description below. So if you have issues with your mega screen, just follow the step I did. Divide your network from, if you're using a 2, divide it into 3.